Look, it's a J-Fast, big teddy bear. And a Kevin. I'm going to take them up around Emerald Bay and up to Truckee. Then they're going to take off north. And there goes Chris. And they're going to take off north to, I think, Klamath Falls, Oregon or something like that. So, oh, it's nice up here. Out in the woods. Ah, Lake Tahoe. They're all playing in boats today. Just checking to make sure the Rilo's going. Gotta get those 360 shots. There's some nice fun roads up here. A little funner without the car in front of you, but that's okay. We're sightseeing today. And a 10-miler. This guy's gonna go nice and slow. I can almost walk. Hopefully I can second gear this. Oh yeah, look it down, look it down. There we go. And up the mountain we go. They're gonna get a kick out of what's up here. Double clutching it. Oh yeah. Nice and slow. Oh, good park job. Hang your ass up. There we go. There's the ridge. And the other way. Wow. Come on. This is where it's double-sided. There's Emerald Bay down there. And up here, we're riding the ridge. Here we go. Now you can see. Got a little lake over here. Got a big lake there. Lake, lake. Not a whole lot of room. Share the road. And look at Mr. Putt-Putt. He still thinks it's 10 miles an hour on these turns. Uh-oh, the popo. Some action going here. Looks like he's enjoying his walk. Look, wherever these Canadians go, they find more Canadians.
Yeah, look at all the Canadians everywhere.
Everywhere you guys attracted more Canadians.
And we're from the same island.
Yeah.
That never happened.
We're from an hour and a half away.
But you never meet up there, down here.
We ran into people that have an app, and the girl went to the same high school as me.
Really?
Yeah,
We got a Canadian reunion going here.
that works with her, and then now they both live in Kelowna, and it's just crazy.
Alright, back on the road. Yep, JJ's back there. Boats, more boats. And expensive houses coming up. They're going swimming. Look at all those rafters. They're cooling off in the streams. Looks fun. There goes the Canadians. Bye, Kevin. Jay's program is, oh, he's blowing me a kiss. Oh, he's such a sweet guy. Just a sweet Canadian guy. Oh, look. The bro love. Jay's pulling his pants up.
Your house.
Peace out. Yo, that? Oh, yeah? Gang signs. All right, man. See ya.